What's up, guys? Today I am making a horror game. I don't know if you can tell, it's gonna be a horror game. Anyways, I've made the map already. I just put a couple walls together, basically a couple bricks, and scaled them out to walls, and then I made it dark. Put a couple lights in, but we have a room. So that's where I start off. So make your map real quick and pause the video while you make it. Then come back. Now, if you're done with your map, you can start working. So I just have this room real quick. It's gonna lead out to like a hospital hallway. I found this one website on Pinterest, apparently. Pinterest. I don't know. It's like a pin escape room thing, but it, I don't know if you can see that right well. It's really bad quality, but that's the type right here. Here, let's see. Can I go here? Dang, it's bad quality right there. Can I like find a better look at it? See, oh my god, that is not what I was looking. Ah, okay, fine. But basically, I'm making a creepy hospital. This It's gonna be like a creepy hospital look to it. So yeah, but I'm gonna have to be using the toolbox for textures today because I'm not making my own. I don't got the patience for that. So I'm just gonna search in hospital. Is it bad that I don't know how to spell hospital? Okay, I don't know how to spell hospital. That's probably bad. Hospital wall. Oh, that doesn't help. Wall. Why so many L's? Oh my god. Okay. Which one looks like a creepy hospital look to it? Oh no, this should take a while. That's the one thing I use the toolbox for, like sounds. Only two things I use the toolbox for is images and audio. I don't really use it for anything else. I think this looks like that hospital. Let's put a texture on here. Paste this into it. Oh man, okay, so we do need to work on that. Jeez. So we're gonna do 10 by 10. Okay, that looks pretty good. Except it's got seams. Great. I need a seamless image. Great. I think I'm gonna have to go with this one. I don't know why, but this one looks a lot like what's it called? A hospital. Why does this look like a hospital to me? This does not look like a hospital. I think I'm stupid. Oops, 20 right here. 30 right here. 40. Let's do 90. Oh yeah, that looks like a hospital. Okay, I'll stick with the old texture. I'm not making my own game. I'm literally just trying to show you how to make a scary game. So yeah, I'll just make your own textures. That would just work better, honestly. But I can't. So, well, I can, but I'm not doing it because I don't got the time. Well, I have the time. I don't have the patience to make a texture myself. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna have to stick with. I don't see any more. Like, see what's this look like? Copy it. That looks like a guy got an SCP containment thing, not a hospital wall. I need something good quality and seamless. This is the one I'm using right now. I think. Actually, let me check. Yeah, it's the one I'm using right now. Okay, I don't think I'll find any other one that looks better. I mean, this looks like a good hallway texture. Let's see how it looks on here. Oh my god. I'm gonna use that in the hallways. Okay, let's get to work now. I'm also gonna need a carpet. Do hospitals use carpets? No, they use tile. Haven't been in a hospital in a while. And I hope I don't go to the hospital for a while. This should be like a hospital room here. Hopefully this doesn't look awful. Even if it does, too bad, I'm using it anyways. It doesn't look the worst. Just could go up one, but yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, I need to first get the texture pasted onto this wall. So I have this texture basically saved, essentially, I guess. I just need to copy this by duplicating it. Move it over here so you can see. And these ones, unlike that, are gonna be big white ones. Because that's what creepy hospitals have. And these ones are also gonna be flickery. Wow, it's like perfectly matching up right there. Anyways, don't matter. Now we need to get a floor texture, which is gonna be a tile, obviously. Tile, I said. Any tiles? What? No tiles at all, huh? Huh? Okay, this one should work. Texture in here. And then you put it on the top. Oh wow, that looks nice from the start. I'd say it could grow a bit. Maybe put it 3 by 3. Okay, there we go. That looks actually, that's like a matching tile for that. That matches perfectly. Question, does this one have a light in it? Why is it not working? Get over here and actually work. Like, I see the yellow from this one. I can't see the yellow from... Oh, that's because there's a white light right here. Okay. Okay, dokie. Gonna just... It doesn't matter what you can't see, so don't worry about it if you can't see it. So, yeah, don't worry. If you have, like, huge things like I do sticking out of the building, don't worry about it. No one can see it, so you can't get judged on it. Oh, shoot. People are gonna see this. I don't care. Okay. That works. I could just add the texture to the other side, but don't know if I've ever said this before. I'm lazy. So I'm not gonna. Because I'm lazy. And I also am just trying to do this because I'm lazy. My goodness, how many times am I gonna say lazy today? Like, this actually is working pretty well. Surprisingly. These ones can be all completely transparent. These ones need to be untransparent. You want this to be untransparent, sir? This needs to scale out. That's transparent one. This one, yes, you need to scale out. I guess this one's the untransparent one. Okay. Okay, okay. Did I not copy the floor over here? There should be tiles. Okay. That can end there. I'm gonna make like a locked door there. There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna completely make a map because I mean, I'm pretty sure if you're on Roblox and you're trying to make a game, you've probably learned how to make a map some point in your life. Why did I do that? Okay. I mean, I hope if you're developing a game, you know how to make a map. Like, please tell me if you're making a game, you know how to make a map. This one needs to have like a door. Like okay, yeah, I'm breaking my rule. I'm gonna add a free model. What the heck? No, hospital. I just copied that. Why am I use channel? No, hospital. I'm gonna have to use a free model. Not because I want to, but just because I'm lazy. Yeah, I understand. Call me lazy all you want, because it's true. This better not be able to open. Oh. I'm stupid. That's that side. I need this side. Swear to God, if you don't give me this side, I'm gonna, like, flip. I said give me the other side. Jesus Christ, I'll just do this one. Ugh. Why am I building? Oh yeah, that's why. Never mind. Yeah, I'll fix that up later. Don't worry about it. Did I ever not delete this? Really? I didn't. Oh wait, that's the top. I'm stupid. I built the door. Someone save me. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I'm just gonna push this back into this area so it looks like it's actually a door. When it's really not gonna lead to anything. Except sudden death. But that's besides the point. Alright! I can't sit in this chair any longer. Alright, so I'm gonna I'm a scripting channel, but I don't script in the video. No, I have to script. So I'm gonna script this. I go script. Well, actually, while true do script up parent for I equals 1 comma. I'm gonna do 10. No, I'm gonna do 100. Do wait like what point 001 .1 script dot point light dot range equals script dot point light dot range minus 1.1. So they're gonna go really low in range. So you're gonna flicker, but like a nice flicker. And we're just gonna go up here. We're gonna do wait 0.3. No, point 0.15. We're gonna do plus 0.1. Right back to where it was, and then we're gonna wait another like 4 seconds. And we'll just change this one to, actually no, we'll change this one to 9. Let's see if that works. Which light is this? That one. Let's see if this works. Boom, boom, boom. Put myself underground. So I can spawn up there without going on top of the roof. You're kidding me. These weren't anchored? I thought I had everything, the whole map anchored. Alright, play here. I'm not sure which one's gonna go invisible, but I hope I know. I hope it's this one. Yo, honestly, I can't tell. So I'm also gonna real quickly do script up plastic. Yes, your light turns to plastic when it turns off. Didn't you know that? And then after like the 15 seconds, it turns back to neon. That means that parent got touched. I said touched. Connect function. Hit. Okay, so we're gonna do if hit dot parent dot light dot light dot that material equals enum dot material dot parent dot point light dot enabled equals false. And then we're gonna put like a glass break sound, like perfect. Watch, we need something better. That sounds awesome. There we go. That sounds like. What does that? Add a sound. I'm gonna paste the glass break into it. Boom. Whoops, that's sound group. I'm an idiot. Perfect. And we're gonna set this to make 10's the max, but I want to scare them. And they're gonna jump like 10 miles out of their seat. Well, I always say miles. 10 inches out of their seat, yeah. No, they'll jump 12 inches. That's 1 foot. So they'll jump a foot out of their seat. Oh no, that's bad. I gotta go get tested now. I think I have the coronavirus. And we'll just name this to break. And then we'll go script.play. And then we'll